but I also know that my lovely students are enjoying the videos and they are completing their notes. Students, I am very happy to see that my lovely students have worked very hard for the assessment, and seriously your hard work says a lot. So students, let's come back to the studies. Today in this video, already we have started with chapter 6, that is factors and multiples. This video will be part 2. In this video, we will be discussing about the topics which are related to exercise 2. So my lovely students are ready with their textbook and notebook and pen with their hand. So let's start it. So students, now we will be starting with the topic that is on page number 39. Odd and even numbers. Are my students ready with the textbook? Let's start it.
Odd and even numbers. All numbers which are multiples of 2 are called even numbers.
Students, we know this very well. Even numbers क्या होते हैं? जो 2 के टेबल में आते हो. And now all numbers which are multiples of 2 are called even numbers. That is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 and so on. And tell me, what are odd numbers? My lovely students know this. Yes, the number which don't come in the table of 2. I can say the number which is not a multiple of 2. That number is known as odd number. Which are they? 1, 3, 5, 7. Remember?
Examples 2, 4, 6, 8, 12 and so on. All numbers which are not multiples of 2 are called odd numbers. Examples 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Prime and composite numbers.
So students, now we will be coming to the topic that is prime and composite number.
We have already learnt that every number except 1 has at least 2 factors. 2 is the smallest and the only even.
So students, we already know that. We already learned that every number except 1 has at least 2 factors. Except 1, each number have 2 factors. Okay students, at least, minimum. उसके पास कम से कम 2 factors तो होंगे ही होंगे. Okay? 2 is the smallest and the only even prime number. 2 is the smallest and only even prime number. Okay? You have to remember this point, it's important.
Prime number. Prime numbers. A number greater than 1 which has only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself is.
A number greater than 1 which has only 2 factors. Prime number ऐसे numbers होते हैं, they have only 2 common factors. Or I can say only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself is called a prime number. Means एक 1 के टेबल में जाना और वो एक अपने टेबल में जाना. They are the only prime numbers. For example 3. 1 के टेबल में भी 3 जाता है. 1 3s are 3. 3 1s are 3. तो 3 के कौन-कौन से फैक्टर्स हुए? Only 2, 1 and 3. जो सिर्फ अपने टेबल में जाए और 1 के टेबल में जाए. That numbers are known as prime numbers. Okay students. You can take an example of 7 also. Okay? 7 only goes in 1 7s are 7, 1's table, and then 7 goes to its own table. That is 7 1s are 7. Only 2 factors are there of one number. Only 2 factors. That number is known as prime number.
It's called a prime number. Prime numbers up to 100. 2, 3.
Students, this list of prime number is there at the end of page number 39. You can have a look on the table and it is important if you remember it.
8, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 20. 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. Composite numbers. A number greater than 1 which has more than 2 factors is called a composite number.
Composite numbers are those numbers जो सबके टेबल में जाते हैं. आप बहुत इजीली याद रख सकते हैं. Prime numbers, they have only 2 factors. They go in one table or its self table. Composite number goes in many tables. For example, 4 कौन-कौन से टेबल्स में जाता है? You know it very well. 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4. देखो, the factors of 4 will be 3. So students, you can come to know. Yes, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16. ऐसे numbers जिसके factors 2 से ज़्यादा हो, that numbers are known as composite numbers.
Number 4 is the smallest composite number. Examples of composite numbers: 4, 6, 8.
Students, 4 is the smallest composite number. And which number is the smallest and even prime number? Yes, 2 is the smallest and even prime number. And 4 is the smallest composite number. Okay?
8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16. The number 1 is neither prime nor composite.
It is important. Do you thought? 1 is nor prime nor composite. तो 1 आता किसमें है? Let's have a look.
Why? 1 does not have 2 factors, so it is not a prime number. Also, 1 does not have more than 2 factors, so it is not a composite number. It is a unique number. Twin primes. 2 prime numbers with a difference of 2 are called twin primes. There is a composite number. Why? 1 does not have.
So students, here we are. 1 does not have 2 factors. So it is not a prime number. 1 के कभी 2 factors है? No. Also 1 does not have more than 2 factors. 1 has more than 2 factors? No, it does not have more than 2 factors. So I can say that 1 is a unique number. Okay students?
It have 2 factors, so it is not a prime number. Also, 1 does not have more than 2 factors, so it is not a composite number. It is a unique number. Twin primes. 2 prime numbers with a difference of 2 are called
Twin primes. So funny, right? Twin numbers. Twin numbers ऐसे numbers जो 2 prime number के बीच में सिर्फ 2 का difference है. Twin stands for 2. 2 prime numbers with a difference of 2 are called twin primes. Okay students, it is so easy and you will remember it very well. There is a composite number between the twin prime number. आप देख सकते हैं 3 और 5 दोनों prime number है. दोनों के बीच में कितने का गैप है? 2. 5 and 7, the difference is 2. 11 and 13, 2. 29 and 31, 2. There is a gap of 2.
twin primes. There is a composite number between the twin primes. Examples: 3 and 5, 5 and 7, 11 and 13, 29 and 31. Any 2 consecutive numbers are always co-prime.
Any 2 consecutive numbers are always co-prime.
Co-prime numbers. 2 numbers with only 1 as the common factor are called co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers are not necessarily.
Students, you can have a look. 2 numbers with only 1 as a common factor. ऐसे कुछ नंबर जिसके अंदर सिर्फ वन ही कॉमन फैक्टर निकलता हो, दैट नंबर आर नोन एज को-प्राइम नंबर्स। ट्विन नंबर्स मींस दोनों के बीच में गैप। को-प्राइम कि दोनों के बीच में सिर्फ एक ही कॉमन फैक्टर निकलता हो, दैट इज 1। 4 and 5 के बीच में कॉमन फैक्टर 1, 5 and 11 1, 18 and 23 1. So students, that's all for today. But hold on, let's discuss on the exercise. So students, now we will be discussing with our exercise 2 on page number 41. Let's read the first question. Which of the following are even numbers? Even numbers कौन से numbers होते हैं? Yes, the numbers which are the multiples of 2. So I can say that जो number के पीछे 2, 4, 6, 8 या 0 आता हो, that numbers are known as even numbers. Let's start it. This is the even number, even number, even number, even number. 84 is also even number. 92 is also an even number. Okay, students. Let's move to question number 2. List all the prime numbers between. You are supposed to list the prime numbers between 10 and 30. For this question, you can refer page number 39 of your textbook. 39 textbook में there is one box given that states the prime number up to 100. So you can refer this if you have a little bit confusion. See, 10 और 30 के बीच में कौन-कौन से prime numbers आते हैं? 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. That's it. Okay, students. Now, question number B and question number C you will be solving. Question number 3. Which of the following numbers are prime numbers? Prime numbers, ऐसे prime numbers, there are only two factors in common, one itself and the table itself. For this question, you can also refer the table on page number 39. If you not want to refer, then it's okay, fine. We will discuss it. 5 अपने टेबल में जाता है और 1 के टेबल में जाता है। 11 अपने टेबल में जाता है, 1 के टेबल में जाता है। 17, yes, 1's table and its self table. 28, no, 28 is a composite number. 35, composite number. 41, prime number. 57, prime or composite? It's composite number. If you wish, you can divide it also. 63, prime or composite? Composite number. 77, composite number. 79, for this you can refer the table which is given on page number 39. So students, that's all for today. Here we complete the discussion of exercise 2 till question number 6. Okay? Question number 4 में आपको twin pair निकालना है जिसके अंदर difference 2 आता हो. This is a twin pair, this is not. This is not. This is also not. List 6 consecutive composite number less than 100. You are supposed to list the consecutive numbers. Okay, students? Which of the following are co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers, what were the co-prime numbers? Remember the define, it was there. You can mark the define on page number 14. Two numbers with only one as a common factor. Only one as a common factor. So you have to mark that. That's all for today, students. Here we complete the discussion of exercise 2 till page number 6. In next video, we will be starting with interesting topic. I love that topic. In next video, till that, take care, be safe, have healthy food, do exercises. Bye students. God bless you.